Good day, folks. I'm out exploring today, testing some areas, see what we find. Hope you enjoy. Little tiny straightaway right there. Let's go check that out. So we're going to clean out the Goldie box in a minute. I just want to show you why I'm digging this area. So the first thing I saw was there's a nice straightaway right here after a drop. It's all silted up on the bank, and I started looking, and I'm starting to see where the bank here got a little more gravelly. Then I look in the water. I saw the silt, gravel start again. They start picking back up and it goes gravels down. The heavier rocks were dropping out. Took my magnetic probe, probed around everywhere, found in this little corner here, found that there was big coarse magnetite sticking to the magnet. So I just ran about, I'd say 5 or 6 shovels. So let's go do a clean out and see if there was gold here. If not, we move on, because this is probably my best shot that I can see in this area. So here's my concentrates. This is what I was talking about. Do you see how heavy these black sands are? There's some big chunky bits in there. The other thing too is when you do your cleanouts and you're testing an area, look around. See if there's big garnets, stuff like that. Look for those little identifiers that tell you that you're digging in a decent spot. Doesn't mean there's gold there, but these are the things to look for. All right, we got the gold showing up. That bigger flake in the middle is about 20 minus, 30 plus size. There's some beautiful garnets here too. A little bit of clay here. So I ran about 5 more shovels. El Skunko. So we're moving on. We're gonna head upstream, see if anything sticks out. Some big old slabby bedrock here. Whew. Let's go down here. What a beautiful area. So I'm looking up at the slopes. I'm thinking flood here, and then I'm looking into the woods, and I can see where it's all swelled. Right here and back down. There's a big drop of rocks right here, big rock right there. I'm gonna go poke around over there and see what's over there. Big old pile of silt. Let's see where the gravel's picked back up. You got your heavy rocks coming, you got a big void in here. Poke around here. Where the slope comes down here, you got the big rock. Starts graveling up after the silt right here. You start coming into a little bit of a gravel. There's a mound here. I'm going to take some out of this mound, run it right there. Maybe 10 shovels, see if there's any gold in it. Fly poop, moving on. Dose fly poop. Alright, I just had a clean out, another fly poop. So the further I head upstream, the less I find. So we're gonna move back downstream, see what we see. So we're back on some gold. It's getting late in the day though. I got talking with a guy on a four-wheeler for, I don't know, we were talking for like 40 minutes. So I'm digging right in front of this big rock here. I'm gonna do a couple clean outs and then I'll pan it all and then show you what I got. All right, there's the hole. And there's about 45 minutes worth of digging. That's 2 clean outs, so 2 separate cons. So not as much as I thought that was going to be for doing 2 cleanouts. We definitely dug some spots today though. So that was a day out testing and just running around. Hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching. Be well. So I'm about to wash out the box. I just want to show you the indicator map. All the gold stuck to it. Pretty nice.